To check the oil is hot enough, put in a piece of bread. If it fizzled, like you just saw, then the oil is ready. And now you can cook your Mars bars and bananas. Get your Mars bars and place them into a pan, or you can just drop them in, but it may cause a splash. Once both are in there, slowly lower them into the oil. Leave them in there for 30 seconds to a minute, depending on the size of your Mars bar and the heat of your oil, or until they are golden brown. As you can see, the brown that is coming up around the rim, meaning that they are cooking. That is probably chocolate, actually. I don't think they're ready yet. I would leave them in for another 20. God, that's a lot of chocolate.
And you play with
A plate under the microwave. Now, they should be just about ready, and so we will lift them out and pour them onto a plate. No, just pour it up and pour them onto the plate. Today, before they burn.
Then,
pick them up.
Grab some clippers. Grab them if I can. Oh.
Just put it on the plate, as I said, and then from there, take them off the plate, etc, etc. Now, repeat the steps as seen with the Mars bars with the bananas. This time we're just going to drop them in, because they won't fit in the pan.
Make sure you drop them away from you.
Next. Give them a quick turn to make sure they're completely cooked around.
And when they're done, pick them up with thongs.
I don't think they're ready yet.
They are.
No, they're not.
They're fine. And place them back
onto the plate next to your disgusting looking Mars bars.
That's perfect, actually.
And now we have the bananas that look really nice and the Mars bars that failed. And
keep the oil hot for the later use with the ice cream.
Now we're about to deep fry the ice cream, which has been in the fridge, as you can see, double coated in cornflakes, and it's been in the freezer for at least 3 hours. We're about to dunk them 3 at a time into the oil, and they'll be in there for about 30 seconds. Depends how much they melt.
They won't melt. They won't melt. They won't melt. Ready?
Yes, I am ready. Oh no! Oh no! Oh, ice cream! Bye all!
Ready?
Take one out, quick! They're yours. Hey, you did yours, I want to do my ones. Okay.
These are mine.
Yeah, you just did them. Okay, go, let me try. Fuck.
There's not enough stuff around, is there?
Nah.
Thank you, I'm thinking.
Oh, look, they've cooked.
I don't want one then.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, they look great. Anyway, that's how you cook disgusting ice cream.
That took 5 hours.
And that only took 3 hours. Okay, and yeah, yum. Only 3 hours preparation.